Let's look at this. We have here a complete replacement low voltage wiring harness for our Porsche 911 kit. You might ask, why include that? Well, it's quite important. You got to remember that if you're installing this kit in a 50-year-old car and trying to reuse maybe a 50-year-old wiring harness, there's going to be electrical issues. And typically for conversion shops, the wiring, low voltage wiring side of it is the most time consuming because you are troubleshooting and trying to trace small pin-out faults in accessible areas. We have now designed a complete low voltage wiring harness, as you see here, and we'll now be making these ourselves in-house. Once volume goes up, we'll be then able to take the drawings we've made of all of these wiring harnesses and have that made by an external specialist at some point in the future. It is very complex, but this wiring harness in its complete form will be included in the kit. There is also obviously all of the high voltage wiring harnesses needed, and obviously also the cooling lines, which are not shown in here, but do come with the kit. The whole idea being is that you do not have to start troubleshooting or experimenting to make connections. Everything here, as you can see, is finished, is ready to go, and connects just straight up. That is the essence of this.